Welcome to the channel. If you are on the hunt for the best outdoor string lights, you have come to the right place. I have compared the top models to help you make an informed decision. Product number 1. Brightown Outdoor String Lights. To get things rolling, I am thrilled to showcase a top-tier contender right away. I am talking about the Brightown Outdoor String Lights. Designed with meticulous precision, it feels incredibly solid and enduring right from the very first touch. It operates with a level of smoothness that genuinely elevates the user experience to entirely new heights. Navigating its advanced features feels surprisingly natural and completely seamless right from day one. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. The price-to-performance ratio here is mind-blowing. Go ahead and visit the link below to check out the latest live promotions. Backed by over 57,255 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. I highly suggest keeping this on your radar for a completely hassle-free upgrade. Product number 2. Brightech Ambience Pro Solar-Powered Outdoor String. Continuing our countdown, I have a highly reliable product that consistently exceeds expectations. I am talking about the Brightech Ambience Pro Solar-Powered Outdoor String. The physical construction is nothing short of spectacular, perfectly combining aesthetic elegance with industrial strength sturdiness. Diving into functionality, you will be blown away by how consistently it delivers top-notch results without skipping a beat. Its layout is wonderfully straightforward, successfully eliminating any confusing learning curves entirely. It boasts an incredibly solid track record regarding long-term reliability, actively minimizing the risk of sudden breakdowns. The price-to-performance ratio here is mind-blowing. Go ahead and visit the link below to check out the latest live promotions. Backed by over 26,577 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Ultimately, it is a deeply rewarding investment that genuinely lives up to its massive hype. Product number 3. Addlon 100 Feet Outdoor String Lights G40. Now, I want to turn your attention to a truly magnificent item that is a massive fan favorite. I am talking about the Addlon 100 Feet Outdoor String Lights G40. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. What makes this special is its dynamic responsiveness. It intelligently adapts to various situations to keep you operating at your best. The deeply ergonomic structure actively prevents any physical fatigue, making extremely long usage sessions surprisingly comfortable. You will be completely thrilled to discover that it practically runs itself autonomously once it is properly set up. I highly encourage you to tap the first link in the description to see how surprisingly pocket-friendly it actually is. Backed by over 24,032 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It phenomenally bridges the gap between premium quality and sensible everyday practicality. Product number 4. Addlon LED Outdoor String Lights 48 Feet. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the Addlon LED Outdoor String Lights 48 Feet. Right out of the box, the premium craftsmanship shines through immediately, ensuring it will last for a very long time. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. Furthermore, regular maintenance is almost non-existent, saving you massive amounts of time and unnecessary energy. The fantastic news is that this option fits beautifully into a reasonable budget. Check the link in the description for active discounts. Backed by over 15,525 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. If you want to take your setup to the next level, you genuinely cannot go wrong here. Product number 5. AILBTON Outdoor String Lights. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the AILBTON Outdoor String Lights. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. When it comes to performance, it solves common frustrations effortlessly, providing an incredibly smooth and versatile experience. It brilliantly avoids unnecessary visual clutter, focusing entirely on a minimalist elegance that enhances core functionalities. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. Instead of guessing the cost, you can instantly see today's best deal by clicking the direct link provided down below. Backed by over 12,051 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.3 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this comparison helped you make the right choice. Click the links below for more info, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates.